All right, hello again. We are now in video 2 for week 6. Now we're going to be discussing the area of a circle. Okay, the area of a circle. Now, what I need to make sure that you remember is to look at your star reference sheet, which we discussed a little bit ago. Okay, area of a circle. The equation, let's just do it like this. The equation for area of a circle is pi r squared. Remember that r squared, okay, r squared is equal to r times r, not 2 times r. That is not the same thing. Okay, r squared is not 2 times r. Okay, all right, let's go. Let's go ahead and hit the area of a circle. Okay, so what we did in class is that we skipped this entire piece. I don't really care for how this is broken down. That's okay. So we're going to come on down and to look at the bottom. And so the area of a circle, it measures the covering. Okay, the covering area measures the covering of a two-dimensional object. Okay, then you're going to use the formula where we just talked about area is equal to pi r squared, where r squared is equal to r times r. Yes, I already gave you a little heads up on that a few minutes ago. Okay, that's it. That's the area of a circle. All right, now there's no trick to this, but sometimes you've got to, not sometimes, many times, you will have to pay close attention to what question is given to you. All right, and so I'm going to look at problems 4 and 5 here, because if you'll notice on problem 4, okay, on problem 4, you're given, this is the diameter. That's the diameter. Okay, well, so if we have the diameter, the equation, if you look at this equation, there's no r. Excuse me. There's no diameter in it. So we know that r is diameter divided by 2. So this would be 10 divided by 2 is 5. So this means r is equal to 5 here. That's the trick, if you will, for solving area of a volume. All right. And so, yeah, well, I don't really want to stick with yellow. Yellow, I think, is difficult to see. Okay, so then you look at the formula. So now you have the formula is pi r squared. That's our area. Okay, so then if you plug in the values there, you come in down here, and now it says pi times 5 squared. What is 5 squared? That's 5 times 5. Okay, so I have 5 squared is equal to 5 times 5, which is 25. Good. So now I've got 25 times pi. So I have 3.14 times 25. All right, so that would give me, and I'm not going to work through this entire problem, so that would give me 78.5. So 78.5 centimeters squared. That's our final answer. Remember, area is always squared. Always has the little 2 up in the superscript, okay, the exponent. Okay, so look at number 5. Number 5 already gives you, okay, number 5 already gives you the radius. So you don't have to find it like we did in the last problem. Okay, so as you go through here, let me give you a moment to take a screenshot of this example problem with also having the equations up at the top, or equation. Okay, so that's the area of a circle. All right, and so as you work through these problems, okay, there's a lot of different problems that we went through, if you'll remember before. Well, you're not working through these problems, but you should remember this packet that we worked through. So this should not be, nothing here is new to you. Okay, that's it for the second video. Quick and painless, I hope. So we're going to be shifting over to some other areas shortly. Thank you.